Hey guys, Kyle from J.Racenstein, and we have a ProTool water-fed soft washing skid here. This skid is designed to go in the back of a truck or even in a van. So we got rear delivery reels and input reels. We got our engine and our soft wash pump off the back, and our controls for everything along the side right here. So we've got water coming in, 3/4 inch feed hose. We've got 300 feet of delivery hose for the water-fed pole. We've got 300 feet of 1/2 inch 300 psi spray hose for soft washing. We've got our gas BPX 25 soft wash pump on here. So 7-gallon minute, 215 psi, excellent performance for house washes. This is an awesome house washing skid. You got an excellent house wash, soft wash system, as well as a pure water system on board. So we got the HydroPanel 3.0. It's a dual RO, 20-inch carbon, 20-inch DI, 110-volt pump on there. That's going to produce about 3 gallons a minute of pure water out this reel. So when you got this reel extended out to the building or out to the house, you can easily run 2 operators up to 3 operators off of 1 reel on here and crush any of those commercial jobs or any of those big residential houses where you might want to run 2 water-fed poles on. We got all our controls over here, so we got our input already pre-plumbed, our power, our RO diversion, so you can bypass the DI and only run RO. We've got our metering manifold, so we got 3/4 inch clear manifold up here. So we've got our bleach line, our soap line, our water line. We got our 3-way valve for water coming in. So right now we're filling a tank. Now we're going to be running our RO system. And we've got our bleach rinse line. So right now we're going to be pulling from our bleach tank. And I'm going to switch that over. Now we're pulling from our water tank, and that's going to flush out our check valve, our metering valve, and our manifold, all of bleach. So we don't have any bleach sitting in any of that. Clear it out with water, give you a little bit more rinsing volume as well. So this is an awesome house washing skid. So if you're doing big houses and you want to soft wash, do the roof, do the siding, follow up with all the windows, this is an excellent house washing skid that can go in the back of a truck or a van.